guys, I go to the camping today. I got all the board games.
What board games are you bringing then? Show us. The?
Two
Yeah?
and what is this name, Papa?
Santorini.
Saturnina,
Mm-hmm. And then?
cards,
Mm-hmm.
catan,
Mm-hmm.
cacao, azul, and also
The?
chicken and sausages.
Yeah. And look guys, naglaba ang inday ninyo bago tayo maggala. Abangan kung saan tayo pupunta. Kasama po natin si Bianan at look. Ang mga baon natin, nagdala ako ng sardinas. Akin yan, mga pang breakfast ko po yan. Meron tayong wrap, kaya kadami naming wrap dito. Baka magluto-luto po tayo doon, no? Mga herb natin, salt and pepper, milk, tuyo. At ito ang pinaka-importante. Oh, maiwan na ang lahat, wag lang ito. Ang ating rice. Eh baka ilang araw pa naman tayo doon, baka manginig ako ba, no? Punta na po yun si Bianan dito. Pero bago tayo pupunta sa ating destinasyon talaga, bago tayo pupunta, meron tayong puntahan na city guys na never been there pa. Hindi ko pa kayo nadala doon. Magdala din tayo ng mga unan kay kada alis namin guys kay sa hotel. Magreklamo kami sa mga unan nila. Minsan matigas, minsan malaki masyado. Kaya nagdala ako ng mga unan doon ko na yan i-change ang mga pundan yan. Itapo na natin itong green. Andito na ang Bianan ko guys. Ulan pa more everyone. Si Bianan yan, yung nasa harap. Dito siya mag-park ng sasakyan. Hindi na lang, andito pa yung kumuha ng basurahan guys. Kayong container ba, ibalik ni Daniel. Itong sasakyan lang namin ang gamitin. Kay libre po ang, nito, ang gasolina. Sa company po ni Daniel. Kaya iwan lang ni Bianan ang sasakyan niya dito. Nathan, ready?
Yeah.
Karamar!
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
What is Karamar, Vika?
Gassen.
Ah,
Rijden.
ah, okay.
Karama.
rijden maar.
Karama.
Surprise!
What is that?
Show Oma. He bought that in the Philippines. It's his first time to use it. Ang unicorn niya,
Wat
oy.
staat erop?
Yung pinagawayan namin.
Wat mooi. Unicorn.
Yung pinagawayan namin, kaya talaga ang gusto niya. Wow! Paprika and art buy.
Oh, heerlijk.
House tayo guys. Nandito tayo sa McDo. Kay wala pala kaming tubig. Sinata naghanap ng tubig. Magkape na lang din kami. Andito na ang ating kape guys. Ati lang kami ni Daniel. Is it working?
With oat milk.
Lekker. Kain kami ng snack niya guys. Hours and 20 minutes pa para makadating tayo dun sa city na pupuntahan po natin. Tingnan niyo, puno tayo ng unan guys. Sinabak ko na kay wala nang malagyan. Another stopover po tayo kaya ang anak ko mag-uo daw siya. Kailan pa tayo magdating nito doon guys? Sige man tayo stop, magkain na naman. Launa na kasi, ang balak sana namin doon tayo mag-lunch sa pupuntahan po naming city. So kay late naman, tapos 1 hour and 30 minutes pa ang ating drive. Wow, sana all kibi meal.
Over jullie ook allemaal van.
More than the hele week.
Jesus Christ.
Wat een grote dingen.
Kalaki-laki daw ng iced tea na in-order niya.
Ik weet niet waarom, maar ze hebben ons...
Ito ang atin guys, yeah. Look at that, quarter pounder. Mami, this is what I'm telling you, Vika, but no, what is that? No veggies at all.
Oh nee, wat oh cheese.
Een crispy ding. Probeer ook wat dat is. 9.
Can I have a tissue, mahal?
Ja.
Tapos meron pa talagang na-disgrasya dito. Grabe ka traffic.
Mama, you
Ano
want to
yan?
break up again?
Yeah, I'm awake again.
Why?
Because,
You want to wake up?
yeah, I want to wake up.
Mama,
Kaya nag-idlip ako.
I want to.
You want me?
Yeah.
I want you to. Tawa si Bianan. Oma is laughing.
Why?
I don't know. Because you said you want mama.
Ja.
Wil je nog steeds naar Goes?
Na.
What?
Whatever, mahal.
Straks kunnen we ook
Want
op
als we
door.
nu doorrijden, dan zijn we er gewoon om 3 uur.
Ja.
Yeah. What will we do, Vika? We're not going
Gewoon
to...
naar het huisje.
Yeah. Na. Wala na. Na-cancel na ang ating city, guys.
Camping de Vogel.
Cancel. Uy, diretso na lang tayo doon sa sa ating destinasyon. Kaya anong oras na din? Mag alas 2 na. Na nga, ang pupuntahan po talaga natin ay mag-camping kami. Pero hindi yung inakalan yung camping na mag-tent, ganyan. Meron silang mga tent doon. Pero ang kinuha ko po yung bahay talaga. Tapos sinama namin si Bianan. Bakit kawawa din. Kasi ano po ngayon nila natin may vacation ng 2 weeks. Kami lang dapat talaga yun na pamilya. Sinama ko kay kawawa din. Kay yung isang anak niya nagbakasyon kasi hindi siya sinama ba ako na magsama sa kanya nung kanina pagkaupo niya po dito sinabihan niya ang anak niya na alam mo ba ano ang kasiyahan ko ngayon sabi niya mag-ano kasama daw ng bakasyon ang pamilya. Yeah, Ceylan, look guys, all the dagats in the world.
Where's the house?
Not yet, still 37 minutes. Got a trivia for you guys. Do you know that this city was flooded before? Were you already born that time, Vika? That a lot of people died from the flood?
Ja.
You were already born?
I was half a year old.
Okay.
And my parents were in the church with me because I was baptized.
Mm-hmm.
And then my father was a soldier, and they get him out of the church to go to Zeeland.
Yeah, to help the people.
To help the people.
Yeah, need
Yeah. It was on a Sunday
Huh?
because I was baptized
Yeah.
that day.
Because before pa, ang Netherlands, puro siya tubig. It was all water here and then they just put land here, Vika, right?
Yeah.
Was because a dike broke. You're saying like now they have dikes so they don't get it anymore, but it was because one of the dikes broke. That's
Ay!
what happened.
Yeah.
That's why it flood, mahal.
Yes.
Mga dikes kasi yan dito sa kanila, guys. Man-made na po ito yan. Man-made na yan, guys. Tsaka yung mga dike po nila, puro tutubig dati. How about the Leeuwarden, Vika? Was that also water before?
No.
Oh no, it's a land.
Not in my time.
Okay.
Not in her time.
Oh yeah, yeah.
If all the dikes in the Netherlands were broken, then Leeuwarden would be underwater.
Yes.
That is so sad.
Diyos ko! You just asked now, it's 35 minutes. So, sana yung city na pupuntahan natin, guys. Pero mag-uwi na tayo.
Ze hebben heel veel.
Kaya mag-grocery pa po kami mamaya. Tapos ano ba, 40 minutes ang drive papunta doon sa camping-camping natin. Another trivia, guys. Dito sa Netherlands, ngayon nakikita nyo yan, nasa tunnel po tayo. Ang taas nito. So we are in the tunnel and above this is water. Yan. I'll show you a picture there. We are here camping the Focal. Wow. You see that? Grabe guys, 5 hours of driving. Imbis 3 hours and 30 minutes, naging 5 hours. Diyos ko.
Can we go to the playground?
Of course. Ito tayo sa reception. Hindi yan ang bahay natin. Yung kinuha ko kasi bahay po talaga. Pwede good ganyan lang yung mag-camping-camping ka. Tapos may mga maliliit din po sila na bahay na malapit sa tubig. Kaso ito ang kinuha ko kay para komportable po tayo. No? Malaki na bahay. Tapos may CR po tayo na atin. Hindi yung kung saan-saan ka pa magpunta. Kayong mga tent nila, public po ang kanilang, ano tawag dyan? Ang kanilang CR.
Sit outside.
Dala-dala ko na kasi ang mga unan. We can sit outside. Wow! Look! That's our garden. Do you like it? Hindi ko dinala yung pang barbecue, guys. Sayang. Malamig din kasi. Ngayon 17 degrees. Bukas 15, 14. Ang weather. Let's see.
That was
Wow. So, ito yung ating pa-dining.
Like jonge spelletje te
Meron tayong, living room. We've got a TV. And this. What is this? Oh, this is where Oma will sleep. Do you want to sleep with Oma tonight?
No.
No. No, let's show them. Let's show them our room. And this one is for Nathan.
Yeah. And the
And
other one, the bathroom.
the bathroom. Let's show them the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom. And here is for
Papa and
Mama then. Where will Mama sleep?
with me. With me.
Okay, there is.
Because it's too bad.
Yeah, so I sleep with you.
Okay.
I can sleep over the windows.
Yes.
And you can sleep.
Nagdala kami ng ng mga beddings, guys, tapos nag-rent din kami sa kanila.
Okay.
Nice, right?
Ja, prima.
Not bad.
Kijk, dit is mijn slaap.
Is dit jouw slaapkamer of hier ga jij eens?
En
10 euros ang isang bed pag mag-rent
spelletjes
ka.
kan hier staan.
Kunnen hier ook nog staan, jongen. Er kan van alles.
Oh, kay Bianan, meron siyang pa-bath. Pero pwede din tayo maligo dito, guys. Ah. Wow, very special si Bianan, no? Ano to? Pwede din magdaan dito. And you have a bath, Bika. You have a bath. Your own bath.
Ja. Alleen hier moet je douchen in het bad.
Ja.
Maar
Ja.
dat geeft niks. Jullie
I'll
kunnen
bring
ook
the
in het
stuff
bad.
here
Hoor.
and then you can put it wherever it needs to
Who will
be.
take a shower?
Yeah,
Maar ik ga
wherever.
hier ook in.
No, you can just take shower upstairs also,
Ja, en als
Bika.
jullie in het bad willen, kan
Kasi
dat ook.
kailangan mo dito mag-shower. Magtayo ka sa
Ja, dan
bath,
heel
guys.
voorzichtig doen, hè. op die
Nathan, mahulog ka ha? Ito na siya, guys. Tapos maliit masyado ang kitchen. Tingnan nyo. Kaliit. Cute ba? And meron tayong pa super small kitchen, Bika.
Ja.
Fridge.
Ja, dit hier. Oh, hier is een beetje koffie zeker.
What is that? Huh?
Thee. Oh, alleen
Wat is dit
thee.
dan?
Thee.
Tea.
Wat is die?
Ito na siya, guys.
La 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 la.
So, andun yun sa taas, oh. Ganda ang bahay nila, guys. Not bad.
Where's the light? The light.
Yeah, where's the lights? I don't know. I was looking for the lights. Maybe there? Oh, there. Bebe, ingat ha. Please lang. Yeah. So. Tapos nagdala kami ng mga board games. Kaya syempre, mga addict man ito sila sa board games, no?
Papa pakt kommetjes.
Sing, sing.
Heel veel borden.
Good.
Glasses.
Not bad for the price.
No.
La 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 la.
Look. Heeft
Ja.
heeft een afwasmachine?
Yeah, no, they don't have. No, it's fine. I can wash.
Ah, ja, ja.
Agoy, dito na talaga ako makawash, guys.
Ja, heb ik ook mee.
Dito na ako makawash. Wala silang dishwasher. Nathan, hindi magsigi-akyat, please. You can wash your hands with this soap. Yeah, I got this for Oma. That's my, what is that? Gift for her. Binigay ko po yan kay Bianan, guys.
Ik kan niet.
Dali dito. It's fine. I will help you. Nung ano ba, Sinterklaas. Nag-exchange gift kami. Andito ang mga pan nila, oh. Pwede nga tayo magluto ng kanin dito, guys. Makasaing po tayo. Huwag kalimutan ang mga corned beef. Baka ulamin ko pa yan mamaya. Corned beef. Not sponsored. Rice. Hindi nagpatalo ang biyanan ko, guys. Tingnan nyo ang wine. 3. May mga pa-cheese pa siya. Mga snack po natin. Ito ding isa playground na. No smoking. Not allowed to smoke here. They said. Sana natin ito. Dala din ako ng mga towel po namin. Panigurado ba? Baka walang libre. Meron din tayong mga punda, literal na punda guys. Look at that. And the towels. Nanin ko tong ano ni Nathan.
Neem ik er ook een mee, Gaan. Het is van jou.
Oma,
Yeah.
En dan is die van Andy voor jullie.
kijk eens. Hij...
No, it's downstairs, Vika.
Mama, what are you doing?
I'm making your bed.
Oh,
Of course, because I love you so much, ha?
yeah. For my fear glasses.
Yes, of course. Buti na lang, nagdala ako ng maunan. Kaya ang una nila, amoy ano,
1, 2,
amoy
3,
ulo.
4.
Hindi natin gamitin yan.
So, these are thick.
Yeah, very thick. It's not so...
Maybe you don't want it in there.
Ay, we forgot electric fan.
Yeah.
Pero buksan lang man ang ano mga
Maybe you don't
bintana.
want it in there.
Yeah,
That's up to you, but
yeah, I think no need, mahal.
no need.
Yeah,
Else you put it on top if you get cold.
yeah. Pwede, nalagay na. Ang isa lang nilagyan ko ng comforter kaya ba, parang mainit ba. Ganyan sa Netherlands guys. Hindi uso aircon, walang electric fan. Kaya malamig ba dito sa kanila pag gabi.
Did he not eat enough?
Yeah, well, he ate.
He is immediately eating more already taking out of this one.
Yeah, he's growing, mahal, and he's in vacancy. He's in vacation, that's why. Oh, baba, please. Stop going up and down, bebe. Kain ka na naman. What are you eating? What do you want to eat?
Strawberry. I was eating one
Do you know how you and me we eat a strawberry? We do this. You know how he eats a strawberry?
The windows here, you can do it like this, half her.
Okay.
And not like this and this and more.
Okay. You like that Oma is with us? Yeah?
Ik wel, ik vind het gezellig. Jij ook?
Yeah.
Yan yung mga neighborhood natin. Yung sa harap natin, mga patent-tent po sila, no? Ito naman, bahay din.
The blankets.
Sus! Ingat din! Pero alam nyo, ang rentahan ko sana talaga yung sa harap po talaga ng tubig. Puntahan natin yan next time. Baka mamaya. Let's look here, baby love. Let's show them. Ganyan sana ang rentahan ko ba na bahay. Para siyang, paano ba sabihin yan? Hindi ko alam, guys.
Look what this is.
What is that?
Mama, look what this is.
A dog? Para siyang ganyan, guys. Kita nyo ba yan? Yan sana. Tas harap niya, water po talaga, no? Nakita ko man itong bahay na ito. Tas parang mas komportable nga ba? Oh, yan ang hinanap natin. Maging komportable. Kaya, ito siya ang nirentahan ko. Do you like it here?
Yeah.
Mag-grocery na muna tayo. Dito kami sa... May pag-grocery kasi sila. Maliit lang ba? Tingnan natin kung kumpleto po sila. No? Kaya kung hindi, doon tayo sa mas malaki. They're not yet very busy.
No,
No.
maybe they're here already. They're
Yeah,
Ze zijn
yeah.
al in de school, joh.
Yeah. Monday din kasi.
Picture, picture.
Picture. 3, 2, 1. Picture. Let's go. Go there. May pa-indoor po sila. May pa-indoor po sila na palaruan sa mga bata.
Can I play?
Yeah, not yet now because we will do a grocery. Ito naman yung indoor pool nila. Maliit lang siya. Meron din sa labas pero kalamig-lamig guys. Hindi kaya iligo sa labas. Ito yung restaurant nila. Yeah. Oh, look baby. Wow, are you swimming there? Are you swimming there? Ito yung kanilang cafeteria. Mga french fries ang benta. Really love it that it's not busy. Even the swimming pool is, yeah, walang katao-tao sa swimming pool guys. Kunti lang masyado. Siguro sabi ni Bianan, may yung ibang school kasi may pasok na. Sila Nathan late kasi sila na nagbakasyon. Hindi sila sabay-sabay ba? Yeah, because Matthew and Mila has school already now. That's why I think. Yeah. Oh, they're close.
Openingstijden tot 1 uur. 1 uur gaan ze dicht.
Oké, ja,
Hm?
ik ga even kijken of ze er ook nog hebben.
Van 8 tot 1. Ja, dit is gewoon echt zo'n campingwinkeltje met van alles
Ja.
en nog wat. Ja, dit is gewoon een
Hanggang
klein
alauna lang siya ng hapon.
Kijk, en ook
Nag-expect ba ako na sobrang busy dito tapos maliit lang yung pool nila ba, indoor pool. So doon po tayo sa totohanan na grocery. Dito na tayo guys. 15 minutes drive din to galing doon sa ano namin sa ating bahay. You a lemon. Because you like lemon. What do you have in there?
I will go to the beach.
You will go to the beach. Shawarma tayo for today's vlog. Kami na nating nakuha, oh. Hala, why?
Yeah, you want more, right?
Pregnancy test. Mahal, we need toothbrush. Toothbrush, don't forget. And also for Nathan, please. Yeah. Bebe love, what do you want for tonight? Do you want wrap or do you want with rice? This one, look. With the meat.
I want this one.
Diyos ko. Ay, maghugas man ako ng pinggan. Naghanap ako ng sponge, guys. Sabi ko, bahala ipahugas mo ako. Basta wag brush ang ibigay mo sa akin. Ay, brush ba yung ginapang ano nila pang hugas. The beers for Papa.
Why?
En oma.
And Oma. Because so they can drink.